So today I am finishing up some rough body work on the roof, getting things ready to go in the primer. Yesterday I did my seam sealer and the drip rails. What I used was this 3M self-leveling, awesome stuff. It's pretty light. You put it in and it just sort of flows and gives you a really nice finished look. You can paint on top of it. Just if it sits more than 24 hours, you're supposed to scuff it. So what I'm working on today is, you can see here, you got all these little buttons, and these are for the windshield trim retainer clips. So when I put new quarter panels on, the quarter panels do not have those buttons on it. So I have them in the two original spots. So I just went back through some of my pictures and I found where the original ones were located. So I'm gonna take a couple of measurements and then I'll be ready to put them on. So I'll just be measuring with a set of calipers just to see what the depth is to make sure they're set right. Now to put them on, I'll be using one of my favorite body shop tools here, a stud gun, which generally this thing is made to weld little pins into dents and then you use a slide hammer to pull them out, but it also has an attachment here. Pull this out. That allows you to put these buttons in there, and what you do is slide that in, and then here are the buttons. I guess they're just copper or something, and when you press the tool against here, it'll just weld them right into place. They do make a screw-in style too, but this will be a little stronger and it's definitely easier and better than drilling a hole in the body. So I'll put a couple of these on and then I'll pick right back up. Okay, so I made my marks. They're about ½ inch, about 480 thousandths down from the top is what I got on all the other ones that I measured for the rear window. So let's go ahead and get these welded on. So it was kind of a two-handed operation, so I couldn't do any video of me actually putting them on, but there you can see how it just makes a nice little spot weld and puts them into place. So now I'm good to finish my body work around here and get this roof ready for primer today.